Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you a dropship.io product research tutorial on how you can easily find winning dropshipping products to sell. Alright, so now here we are in dropship.io, and then from here this is the homepage of dropship.io when it's your first time coming here. So from here you can see all the different features of dropship.io when you scroll down right here, but this is not a focus of our video, so we'll be skipping through that. And from here we're gonna click on start free trial when you don't have your account. So from here you would see the login details that you would need. So first you would need to log in, and then after that you would be able to see the prices of the plans and so on. So it would be like this one right here. So these are the prices. So you have your basic, standard, and premium depending on what you need or what suits your budget. So yeah, it's up to you on what plan you will get. And remember that you always have the 7-day free trial, and you can cancel anytime in any case that you don't want to continue your subscription here in dropship.io. So rest assured that it is safe as long as you don't exceed the 7 days free trial right here. Then you won't be spending any money right here. And now that we're clear on that, and once you have logged in or successfully started your free trial or signed up, then you will be prompted right here in the dashboard of dropship.io. So this is my dashboard right here. So we have the ad spot, product database, sales tracker, competitor research, and portfolio. But in this video, since we are focusing on finding the winning products, we'll be discussing the product database, sales tracker, and a competitor research. So first off is a product database. So from here, you can select your filters right here, so you can see the products. So this is mainly where you would find your winning products. So for example, you have a niche of maybe appliances. Maybe you do that, then you can just go and deselect all of this and then just click on appliances right here. And you can set the price, the minimum price, the minimum monthly sales, monthly revenue, store products, images, variants, and so on. And this is where you input the max value. So let's say in this case, we would want the minimum price. So let's say we want it to be around 100, just like that. And the monthly sales should be around 700. I think that is good. And the monthly revenue, I'm not going to set that. So I'll just go for maybe a variant. So the variance, I would also not set the value for variance because I think it should be free. And then right here, we have the categories right here. We have already selected the appliances. So it's all good. And then you have your advanced filters when you click on this one. So you have your product creation date if you would want that, and your store creation date, store language, store currency. So this one is very important for me. So I think I'm just gonna go with all of this right here. But if you're only selling to a specific region, then you can just set your currency right here. And then you have your domain TLD and so on. So if you would want that, then you can just go for this one, and you can browse that by domain TLDs. And you have your title keywords. So let's say I would want to go for smart, yeah, right here. So I'm going to search for smart appliances right here and exclude title keywords and so on if you would want that. But in my case, I am satisfied with my filters right here, so I'm going to proceed. So from here, I'm gonna go also here. So you can also turn this on, only dropshipping products if you would want that. And I would want that because I want to dropship. So you also have POD products, but of course you can always turn this off if you would want to. But in my case, I would want to turn it on and click on search so that we would now have the products right here. And then as you can see, there are currently no products found. So when I turn this off right here, and as you can see, we now have the products right here. And these are the products that is in range of my filters right here. So from here, we have the price, we have the monthly sales, we have the monthly revenue, and store info and so on. So from here, you can notice these two logos right here. So which means it is on AliExpress. So you can click on that, and then you would be redirected to the AliExpress, and then it would search these products right here, some smart appliances right here. And then as you can see, we have this right here, and yeah, that is basically it. When you click on the AliExpress, then you'll be prompted right here, and the same goes for the other one. So this would be AutoDS, and you would be able to connect your store to AutoDS right here if you click on this one right here. But you can also click on the website right here if you want to go directly. So for example, someone is selling this product and their website is this one, so all I have to do is click on that, and then I would be redirected to their website, and I would be able to see the products that they are selling. And then from here I can know more about their store and see if where they are selling this. So as you can see, you can click here on track stores. This would show up right here. And by the way, you would need the dropship extension in your browser, so I have that right here. So dropship right here, so you would need to install this first. So if you're in Google Chrome, all you have to do is go into the Chrome store for extensions, and you want to integrate dropship extension right here, or you could just search it here in google.com dropship.io extension, and then you would have it right here on the Google Chrome product right here. So you want to do that and install, and then you would have it here in your browser, and then you would have this. And then from here you can click on track store, and then as you can see, you need to sign in and free trial and so on, but we'll be doing that later on because my account in Dropship is not yet logged in into my extension. So that's that. But this is basically it on the product database. This is what you can get. So this is a very useful one, especially when you are searching for specific products or specific niche right here, then you would be able to effectively find it right here. But what I recommend is that you just don't go for the filters right here, and instead when you're starting, just leave this one right here and just select the categories right here and some include title keywords, and in that way you would have more results right here in the product database. And as you can see, I have more, and you can click on the track button right here, click on track right there and start tracking product or the store. So in my case, I'd want to track the store for this one just for an example right there. And now we'll be proceeding to the sales tracker right here, and then you would be able to see here in the my trackings, and then as you can see in the product database right here, let's go back, and I think we have lost it, so let's just track another one. So it will be this one, clean needs.in, and click on track store, and then go back to sales tracking, and then we have it right here. So from here we can see its sales, the sales yesterday, sales 7 days, 30 days, and so on, and other store infos right here. So if you would like to take inspiration from some store, then sales tracker feature is the best one for you. All you have to do is click on the insights of the store right here, and then you would be able to see their details right here, their sales, their revenues, their store creation date, or even their store theme in Shopify. This one is from Shopify, so you would be able to do that. And your store apps, you would click on view list, and then you'd be able to see the list right there. But in my case, let's just go down, and you'd be able to see the products that they are selling. So if you can see that the store is doing really good right here, then that might be a sign for you to start in observing the products and see their best sellers, and maybe you can have some inspiration with that, or maybe you can compete with them if you think that you can do better with them right here. So you have your sales, revenue, product creation date, and so on, and you can even track your product. Click on track right there, and then as you can see, you have successfully tracked the product. And then when you select go back into my top products right here under the sales tracker, so this is just an example right here, but actually let's just go back right there, and then right here let's go back to the product. As you can see, it has now started tracking. So when you click on this product right here, you would be redirected to the web page of the product on their store. So this is their store, and then from here you can see what it's all about, their details and so on right here. So that is basically it for the sales tracker, and you can see the top stores right here that you have tracked, which one has the best performance right here. So you can see the graphs, their infos, and so on. So this is also a good way for you to start and tracking some stores right here that you could take as some inspiration or maybe some information from. You also have your top products right here that you could use right here in dropship.io. And the next thing is the competitor research. So let's move on to this one. So from here, you would be able to see the daily searches remaining right here. So as you can see, free trial users can only perform 20 searches per day. So from here, we can go for include title words, right? Or let's say we would want to smart TV. Let's go with that one. And then you have your description, keywords, and so on. But in my case, I'd like to be general since I'm just starting with this niche or this product right here. So I'll like to be general right here. And you also have the advanced filters in case you would want that. So this is basically the same thing in the product database as you may have observed. So yeah, it's basically the same thing. And then you can input some settings if you'd want to. But in this example, just to be simple, I'll just put in smart TV and click on search. And then from here, I would see a lot, and it's basically the same thing right here, except for this one right here is that I would be able to see all the competitors right here. It will be a more detailed view of my competitors compared to when I am viewing it from the product database right here, whereas the products are more diverse and not very specific compared here in the competitor research. So competitor research is basically a tool for you when you are quite sure of what product you are going to sell. And then from here, you can see your competitors right here. So let's search again, smart TV, and search right here, and you'll be able to see it all right here. And then you can always track the product or the store right here. Click on track store. And then you can even go to their website and view more infos right here if you want. So for example, this one right here, and then you can see their website right here, the price, and so on right here. And yeah, that is basically how you can research your own winning product here in dropship.io. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.